Our top story tonight, a major undercover drug bust from the Sarasota Police Department. The operation, called Fresh Start, used undercover detectives to buy drugs from suspected drug dealers in the city of Sarasota. ABC 7's Kate Flexter joins us live from a spot where some of these arrests were made, Pioneer Park. Kate.
Thank you, Haley. This is just one of several areas around the city where this sort of activity has been happening. The department said it received complaints from residents who were witnessing these deals firsthand. A 5-month undercover operation completed by the Sarasota Police Department. The operation, called Fresh Start, used undercover detectives to catch suspected dealers of drugs like cocaine and heroin. Deals Captain Corinne Stanish says many have witnessed firsthand.
They're seeing right in front of them people walking through the neighborhood, cars pulling up, meeting them on the side of the road. They could see something exchanged between their hands.
The operation resulted in 35 arrests with a combined total of 327 previous felony convictions. The department is still searching for 2 others. Among those who witnessed these deals is Jay Patel, who owns Regency Inn and Suites on North Tamiami Trail.
There are many instances where we have seen people walking on the streets along some of the properties that are vacant, where you would see them exchanging things. Along
with the drugs, Patel says, comes prostitution and other crimes, ultimately hurting businesses like his.
Businesses on the trail for the past 3 decades have failed quite much. One of the reasons is because of the safety reasons, where people feel it's unsafe. There's a perception of unsafety.
But recently he's noticed a dramatic reduction in the number of drug deals that he attributes to these sorts of operations.
Instead of just the business owners and the residents complaining and then they do some action, the proactive measures are showing some improvements.
Captain Stanish says these street-level drug dealers are just a first step towards seeing those improvements and hopes these arrests will ultimately lead them to the suppliers.
It could take years to be able to find out who their supplier is, infiltrate that, gain the trust in that circle, and work even higher, because the end result is you want to get the one actually bringing it into the country.
The department says it plans to conduct similar operations in the future. Live in Sarasota, Kate Flexter, ABC 7, your Suncoast News.